Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. I'm super excited today as I'm going to share my post makeup skincare routine with you all. So, this is my face with a little bit of makeup, like something that I do every day because of my work. So, what I'm going to do is firstly, I'm going to cleanse my face using this Clinique Take the Day Off charcoal cleansing balm, and I'm using some wet wipes for the same. What I'm going to do is I am going to take a wet wipe and dip it into the charcoal cleansing balm like so. We're just going to grab that and cleanse our entire face. Guys, this is one of the best cleansing balms I've ever used. I have a super dry skin, so something that works for my skin is a product that I would recommend any day. Of course, if you are the dry skin type, this spot is huge. It's like totally worth investing in. So this is 125 ml of product, and this doesn't like end. I've been using this one for quite a while now, and you can see like there's still so much product left. I use it almost every day. Some okay guys, just let me clean that. And if you see, the makeup has already come off. Look at that. Almost. I'm just cleaning the under eye part. So this technique is double cleanse. Basically, I remove the makeup once using my Take the Day Off balm, and then I cleanse my face with a face wash, and then I do my post makeup skincare routine. So I thought I'll take you through the whole process. This is super easy and it doesn't take away from your skin if you do this whole routine. And plus, if you see, this is my face without makeup. There will be no pores, nothing. Your skin will feel better. It will feel more nourished if you do such a skincare routine. I am so sure of the products that I recommend because my face is literally a result of all the products that I use. Next, I am taking this Lotus Splash conditioning cleanser with lotus and bioflavonoids from 82 East. Just pouring a little and going to rinse it into my skin. This is so smooth. It doesn't dry up your skin. And that is one reason I've really started liking 82 East's Lotus Splash. This is the much hyped about brand. Of course, it's Deepika Padukone's brand, but it does leave a beautiful result. Just wanted to mention that double cleanse really removes the makeup from every corner of your skin. So now if you see, after double cleansing my skin, this is what it looks like, and it feels pretty dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my eye serum first, put a little bit of it under my eye, let it sit for say 10 seconds. This one is the Ordinary's multi-peptide eye serum. This is almost this much, like the product quantity left is this much, so you can see how much I love this product. Now I'm going to take my ring finger and I'm going to just try to emulsify it in my under eye skin and over eye skin as well. This will nourish this area. Also, under eye skin is very thin, so this is just going to help me do that. Look at that. You can see how supple it feels after this. Guys, we have a lot of peacocks in the area where I live in Chandigarh. So that's why you tend to hear a lot of them while I am always doing my videos. So we have like around 10-15 of them living near, like in our area actually. So if you see, this looks pretty good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Estee Lauder Multi Protection Antioxidant 24-hour moisture cream. This has a SPF 15, so I'm not going to use a sunscreen, and it's still daytime, so that's why I don't mind the SPF being a part of it. So this is a day wear, so that's why it works. Nighttime I would have a different skin routine. Let me know if you want a separate tutorial for that. So I'm taking pretty generous amount and literally slathering my face like with it, literally just, you know, putting it across, emulsifying it into my skin. Just generally going to massage it generously into my skin. Look at what a beautiful radiant glow it gives me. Doing the same for my neck. I'm going to take a little more for the neck area because I feel I have a drying skin type, so I should always keep my skin very nourished. Definitely try out my routine, guys. Trust me, it has worked like magic for me. The leftover is gone, guys. So this is what it looks like. I love how it nourishes my skin. For the last step, for post makeup skincare routine, I'm taking this Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Color Replenish Lip Balm. It's Envy Balm, that's the name if you can read it. And this is a beautiful packaging. Look at that, how luxurious is that. And it's a nude lip balm, so this is just going to make my lips feel supple. Look at the difference. Going to keep some ASMR for you guys. So that's it for the post makeup skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoy it. Look at all this glow, guys. This is my post makeup skincare, and I think I am in love with it. It's so simple. Post makeup skincare is just a 4-step routine, nothing very fancy. You can always use similar products if you want to go for a range that is more price effective, and purchase similar products in a drugstore range if you want to do a post makeup skincare of a similar type. And yeah, I would see you very soon. I hope you don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you very soon. Much love. Bye.